When I was 19, a man grabbed my butt on the metro, while everyone there was watching. I then shouted at him. I shouted at everyone to warn them of the perv. But then I heard others saying, "Oh, leave it, he's just an old man." Or, "Let him touch it, he's just an old man." We went on a vacation with some friends, mostly boys. We went to take a bath in the lake in the evening, when one of my friends started to touch me on a very private body part. I told him no several times, but he kept on going. At the end, I managed to get out of the lake, but I was so humiliated. He pretended that he didn't do anything on the next day. Also, he's still part of my friend group. At 15 years old, I was at school, and I was grabbed between my thighs. When I went to the principal, he asked me, "How are you dressed?" When I was in middle school, a man approached me in the daylight and tried to pull me in his car. I grabbed on tight to a stranger near me and faked to know them. When I told this story, I was asked, "Okay, but what were you wearing?"
To attend him so that he never lifts a finger. 24/7 baby machine, so he can live out